everyone, good morning from Vizag. We are heading towards Hyderabad now. We have to go towards Rajahmundry, and from Rajahmundry we have to go towards what you can say Vijayawada. I don't want to take the Khammam route because it's a single way lane, so I don't want to take it. I'll be probably riding, not probably, I'll be taking that highway. So the right now roads are very clean, no traffic. When I was entering to Vizag, it was very horrible for me, to be honest. I will take the flyover, it seems. I took the flyover going nice. Temperature, it is showing bit on the cooler side, but not as cold as Kharagpur or Calcutta. Manageable, actually, to be honest. It's manageable. They have given my breakfast packed. I think they have given 2 sandwiches and 2 boiled eggs. So my lunch, breakfast, whatever you can call it, is already sorted out. So yeah, रात में अच्छा ही लग रहा है यार भाईजैक को. On NH16 towards Vijayawada. From here to my place is my home. Actually, my room is 614 kilometers. I just opened the camera because of the scenario what we are right now experiencing is quite well. I mean, if you could see the view, man, it's awesome. It's awesome. The hilly area with the foggy weather. It's awesome, man. Sorry guys, sorry to mention you. I did not capture the room tour video because I was too tired. I actually slept off very early yesterday. Very early I slept off. I never I never slept in that time. 6:30, I think approximately 6:37 I slept off and got up at 4. But yeah, it was good. It was a good stay, to be honest, with that particular price range. Decent. Room was good. Only thing, I think the food was bit in a higher side, but quality of food was good. So I pinged my parents that I already started. I know they are already sleeping probably. I did not actually bother them, to be honest. But hi everyone, I just crossed Godaburi. Just crossed Godaburi, I think just 2 minutes back. It was heavily on traffic, so I could not on the camera. But yeah, we are what is the update is we are 464 kilometers away from Hyderabad. I think probably approximately 150 kilometers away from 150 or 60 odd kilometers away from Vijayawada. So विजयवाड़ा में पहुंच के हम लोग मतलब एटलीस्ट I'll take a rest. मुझे सैंडविच दिया गया था इससे होटल से, वो खा लूँगा और साथ में अंडा भी है, बॉइल्ड एग है. So that will be my breakfast. I mean, I have two sandwiches and 2 boiled eggs. So probably I'll have 1 sandwich now and 1 sandwich after Vijayawada, somewhere before I reach to Hyderabad. That's what I am thinking now, but I'm not sure. भूख रहेगा तो 2 ही खा लेंगे एक साथ. but depends. I have to figure it out where I will get the water and all. Once I get everything, then probably I'll show it to you. You guys saw my my luggage setup, right? No, I did not. I think I did not show it to you. Probably I'll show it sometime later. Okay guys, when I will take rest, or if there's something else to be updated to you guys, I will on my camera. I'm just switching off right now because I have to anyway concentrate on riding right now. I wanted to little bit stretch more to cover up some kilometer. Hi everyone, hope you can see me. Hi. I am 323 kilometers away from home. I'm not sure whether I crossed Vijayawada or not, but as per my understanding I have crossed Vijayawada, or maybe I have bypassed Vijayawada. My GoPro was hanged for a couple of hours. I was trying to, but then I just started again. I just stopped and then again I started. Hope now it is fine. Hope the voice is clear. Hi guys, we are inside of Vijayawada. We were inside of Vijayawada. We are bypassing through the inner ring road, I believe. It says IRR. IRR means inner ring road. As per my understanding of the Google Maps. Right now we will go towards 600 meters straight, and then we will take right, which will connect to NH65. Which is Hyderabad Bombay highway, NH65 Vijayawada Bombay, I think Vijayawada Mumbai or something, Hyderabad Bombay highway, that will connect. Once we connect that, probably we'll have a very good yeah, this is the highway right now. We got it. We are getting into the highway. Yup, we got it now. Oh, too much traffic on the Sunday. Traffic probably because of the Vijayawada city, but we are crossing now Vijayawada city. Probably will not have the traffic as much as right now here in Vijayawada. फिर पता नहीं यार. This side left, I think probably Guntur road. It goes to Guntur. And straight if you go, there will be Ibrahimapatnam, and from there Ibrahimapatnam to Suryapet hoke Hyderabad. My assumption, if my assumption is right, Ibrahimapatnam, yeah, this is Ibrahimapatnam. Okay, मेरे को ये कराना पड़ेगा. What I'm thinking is I'll I'm thinking is I'll get the cushion seat now. I mean, whenever I'll take the break, that time I'll do it. Hi everyone, I just had the sandwich and the boiled egg. What I got, standing near to 10 kilometer or to 20 kilometer approx, to 10 to 20, somewhere in that zone. This is how my bike is looking. So far no as such problem. Sorry to not to not to vlog that much this time, but yeah, I was checking this bike now, how it is working. I think chain is bit of chain को थोड़ा lube करना पड़ेगा. I think I'll stretch it, I'll go, then I'll do it probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow office is there, but day after tomorrow also office is there. I'll see. Hi, sorry. हाँ भैया, हैदराबाद भाईजैक से आ रहा हूँ. भाईजैक विशाखापट्टनम. भाईजैक कोलकाता से आया था. भाईजैक से आज. हाँ, हैदराबाद जा रहा हूँ. Throttle with 450. Thank you. No subscriber guys, just curiosity. People are curious about what I am doing. Attention मिल रहा है, लग रहा है. But no worries. I will go now. हॉरिबल मैन. गर्मी बहुत है भाई. Guys, if you see in this route, actually it's a longer route compared to the Khammam वाला side से जो route जाता है towards Vizag. That was short distance for Vizag, but then why I have taken this route is because I want the highway rather than the one single way. But the thing is, that is why I have taken a long route. I know even while going, probably I have told this in the blog. I'm not sure whether I have told this or not, but this I have told. I have been told, और मुझे पता है ये बात कि this is the longer route as compared to the Khammam route. But Khammam route, before Khammam route, condition was also not good. But what I heard from people that Khammam route is nice now, but it is a two-way lane in the sense हाईवे नहीं है. so probably time will take more. I believe for me, time will take more, but then yeah, because of that I don't want. We are 88 kilometer away from my room. Road is very traffic, to be honest. We road is very congested. संडे का हिसाब से शायद संडे का वजह से है, like those who are already those who already been in home and then they are coming back to Hyderabad, because of that maybe that is the reason behind it. Not sure, too much traffic in the Hyderabad Vijayawada highway. Journey is good. Roads are not that clear, to be honest. Clear है ही नहीं. थोड़ी देर आप throttle लो, बाद में आगे वही ब्रेक यूज़ करो. I don't put that brake that much, but yeah, it's good that I have only 88 kilometer left. That's it, and I have to take, I think I will be going from LB Nagar, because in outer ring road two-wheeler are not allowed, so I'll be going through going from LB Nagar, if I'm not wrong, because I came on that day through LB Nagar. See, this is what the condition is. You have to put brake by hook or crook. $55 kilometer to NH65. I know this 88 kilometer is totally horrible for me. Will be horrible for me. I understand. I got you, Hyderabad. Okay, I'll probably show it to you once I reach inside the city. How is the condition of city's condition, that also we can probably show it to you. But if I'm feeling that, then I'll show it to you. Otherwise, I'll stop the vlog here. No, okay, I'll stop the vlog probably once I reach home. Okay, no worries. I just reached nearby to office. Those who saw my first vlog, I had shown this route video towards IKEA one. I will probably show it to you later again if I get any chance to. If I want to do a vlog in office, then probably I'll show it to you again. These all are office area. This is IKEA. Fastly set up in Hyderabad. Fastly set up in India, because this is normal route. घर जाने का रूट. मैप आप बंद कर दो. हो गया. Good. I am back to Hyderabad, which is good, genuinely good. This is AIG. Next to AIG there was Deloitte office, which is also a good building actually, to be honest. So building was काफ़ी बड़ा है Deloitte. Here is यहाँ पे Decathlon है इस साइड में, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. कभी आना पड़ेगा, लग रहा है कुछ तो लेना पड़ेगा, टी शर्ट वगैरह. It's luck. Oh, nice. See what is written in the Pets luck. Nice one, guys. thanks for watching the vlog, guys. I hope you love the video. If you like, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Do comment your thoughts in which topic you want to get a video. Please let me know on that, where I wanted to go. Like if you want to have a suggestion in nearby to Hyderabad, please drop a comment or just ping me in Insta or somewhere, so that I can probably visit those places and get the content up for you guys. So I'm closing it here today. Bye bye, thanks a lot for watching it.